We're really excited about our award from CureSearch and Rising Tide Foundation, which is going to help us to develop brand new treatments for children's brain tumours. Unfortunately, brain tumours remain the commonest solid tumour in children, and still too many children die of these diseases. And really, treatment for this condition has not changed at all in the last 20 or 30 years because we've not been able to develop new treatments. We are positioned now better than ever because we have understanding of the biology, the processes that drive these tumours, better than we ever had before, and we're going to use that information to develop new treatments for these conditions. We're focusing on 3 of the most aggressive forms of children's brain tumours. That's a form of medulloblastoma called group 3 medulloblastoma, also a form of another brain tumour called Ependymoma, which is found in the front of the brain in children and is in a very aggressive tumour type, and also one that affects babies called Plexus Carcinoma. So the money is going to enable us to do 3 things. The first thing is to build some very accurate laboratory models of these tumours so we can start to pick apart the biology of the disease, but also develop and screen many compounds so that we can actually find brand new chemicals that actually target these tumours. The other thing we want to do is take some of the existing chemotherapies that maybe are used in colon cancer or bladder cancer or breast cancer, used in adults, but have never been tried in children before, and they may actually be effective against these tumours, and we could what's called repurpose them, take them off the shelf, they're ready to use, and maybe use them in these children. The second approach, after we've done that, is to understand how to best use those in clinical systems. So how much of this drug should we give? Should we give it before surgery, after surgery, with radiation? That's very important. And the third final part is to refine that so we can give to our doctors in the clinic the best combination of these drugs so we don't waste time and we cure as many children as quickly as possible. So on behalf of me, all my lab team here at Cambridge and the entire Cambridge Cancer Centre, we'd like to thank CureSearch and the Rising Tide Foundation for their generosity in supporting our work.